Hey folks, it's Thursday. That means it's time for the Burger Hunt. I'm Uncle Joe, and always with me, who's currently suffering from pollen, is...
Nephew Owen. Nephew Owen. Yeah. Here's a mess for some reason. Here's a mess.
Yeah. Anyway. Sorry, we're having to twist it around. Anyway, we're here at the brand new restaurant called INJ Restaurant and Grill, located here on 1125 South Main Street in Lucama, North Carolina. This was suggested by one of our good friends, Mr. Rand the Man. Rand, we're going to try this place out for you. Oh, tell us what you know.
So what I know is I got a double cheeseburger with chili ketchup mustard, fries, and a tea. What'd you get, Uncle Joe?
I also got a double cheeseburger with fries, a double cheeseburger with chili ketchup mustard, fries, and water. And looks like Owen's ready to dig in. So, as always, we're not professional taste testers. We're just a couple of guys looking for some great burgers. And yes, Juanita, we did our blessing. Oh, give them the show.
Very. So,
Look how big that is.
please excuse me for anything.
This is one big burger. And I'm trying to do it with one hand.
It went into immediately with my chili's really good.
This is good. This is a very good burger.
That chili is good.
Yeah, it's some tasty chili. Cooked well done, cooked fresh. This is real ground and pound meat. And this is not those frozen planks. Chili is excellent. It is cooked well done. What do you think, O? I'm gonna go ahead and grade mine. I'm gonna say this is a 9.9 burger. I'm not kidding, folks. This is a great burger. 9.9. Oh. Oh, it is still covered in.
Covered in everything and anything.
He's cleaning himself up. He's got ketchup and everything on. All right.
Excuse me for that. Let's try a fry. That's very good. Like Uncle Joe said, everything's really good about it. Chili's amazing. Probably some of the best I've ever had. Don't tell my mom. I'm also going to give it a 9.9.
All right. All right, folks, that's a 9.9 from me, 9.9 from Owen. So next time you happen to go through Lucama, make sure you stop here at the INJ Restaurant and Grill, 1125 South Main Street, Lucama, North Carolina. Before we go, I'll say I'm enjoying the suggestions you guys are giving us for the next week's Super Spring Break Extravaganza. We're going to take everything we can in consideration. Just remember, I still got to stay inside the state, and I still got to have this young man home by 5. So,
I don't think it's very much.
until next time, I'm Uncle Joe.
I'm Nephew Owen.
And we'll catch you on the next Burger Hunt. Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
See you on the next burger hunt. Bye-bye.